It's 2 a.m. Everyone else is asleep. And that's when the truth comes out, the one you've been hiding behind a smile all day. Right now, in this moment, you're thinking about someone who made you feel like you don't matter, like you're not enough, and you've been replaying it in your head over and over. You want them to feel what you feel. You want them to lie awake at night the same way you do. You want them to miss you desperately the way you've been missing them. But here's the truth you need to hear. You don't actually want revenge. You want your self-respect back, the same self-respect you handed over when you kept showing up for someone who stopped showing up for you. When you make yourself that available, when you make it clear that no matter how they treat you, you're not going anywhere, you've already lost. Not because you love too much, but because you taught them they never had to earn you. People treat you exactly the way you allow them to. You've been wondering why they won't reply. You watch them post stories, go online, like other people's posts, and then leave you on read. Here's what that silence is actually saying. You're no longer a priority. And instead of hearing that, you write longer messages. You explain yourself more. You work harder to prove you care. But the longer your paragraphs get, the shorter their responses become, until you're getting a K or a thumbs up emoji, and that one character breaks something inside you. That pain you feel isn't love. That's your self-worth crying out. Human nature is simple. We don't value what comes easy. The moment you made it clear that you'd stay no matter what, that's the moment they stopped trying. Here's what nobody tells you about being ignored. The worst response isn't anger, it isn't begging, it's indifference. Because hatred still means they have power over you. But when you genuinely stop caring, when your life visibly moves forward without them, that's what keeps them up at night. Stop explaining yourself. Stop defending yourself, and stop reaching out. Give them your silence. Let that be your message. There's a toxic pattern in modern relationships called breadcrumbing. They never fully commit, but they never fully let go either. They keep you just close enough, a random text here, a reaction there, just to make sure you don't move on, like tossing crumbs to a bird so it won't fly away. You are not a bird, you're not here to survive on scraps. You deserve all of it or none of it. The in-between is just a slow kind of suffering. A lot of guys go completely quiet when they're going through something heavy. They don't talk about it. They sit with it alone at night in a dark room, headphones in, convinced that showing pain means they're weak. But that silence can be your greatest power if you redirect it. Take that energy, that anger, that hurt, and build something. Work out, build a skill, chase something that matters. When you transform yourself, your entire world shifts. Here's the hard truth about chasing someone. When you stop running, they stop and look back. Because they got used to you always being there. The moment that changes, the moment you become unavailable, unreadable, unbothered, their mind starts racing. Mystery attracts. An open book gets read once, then put down. You gave someone the remote control to your emotions. Every time they texted, you lit up. Every time they went quiet, you fell apart. Take that remote back. Nobody gets to decide how your day feels except you. And stop crying in front of them, hoping they'll feel guilty. The world doesn't respond to weakness, it responds to strength. When you walk in broken, people push harder. When you walk in unbothered, the room shifts. The person who ignored you today, one day, they'll want just a glimpse of you, a moment of your attention, and on that day, you won't need them anymore. That's not revenge, that's freedom, and that's your real win.